As urban populations grow, so do the issues in accounting for stormwater management and in retaining and encouraging healthy, biodiverse ecosystems. On average, streets make up 30 to 35% of a city's land area, with many consisting of non-porous materials and unsustainable stormwater management mechanisms. Our team has identified a street-smart solution that can benefit both community and habitat within the dense urban setting. We call it LifeLight. The LifeLight system makes use of existing city-owned streetlights. It allows for an innovative infiltration solution, which helps mitigate the effects in the case of a 5-year stormwater event, whilst also providing irrigation for the planting bed and climates that encapsulate it, in turn benefiting surrounding avian and insect species and helping harbour a more biodiverse urban setting. It features a hidden rock-filled soakaway trench to account for pavement and road water runoff, a circular cast iron ground planting bed allowing for shrubs, a simple meshed metal sheath to aid the spread of climber plants up the light pole, a choice in a diverse range of pollen and fruit-bearing plant species, and insect hotels which encourage the nesting of insect life and attraction of birds with the presence of cavities and dim blue LED lighting, and integrated modular wind turbines or solar panels for renewable energy catchment and storage to power the lights, making use of either wind tunnels created by urban street canyons or otherwise exposed sunny conditions. Our business model is viable due to these lights being municipality owned, as opposed to the restrictions with working on private residence facades, and economically viable as we are repurposing existing street infrastructure so there is minimal material usage. The technology, being the soakaway and solar and wind catchment, is feasible as it exists and has been tried and tested in similar circumstances. And our design is desirable as the introduced materials match that of the existing pole, but most importantly provide an aesthetically pleasing green street symbol, making use of vegetation to attract insect and bird life and stimulate greater urban biodiversity. LifeLight also allows a positive prospect in community engagement, as you, the provider, could reach out and allow choice amongst the residents for whom these systems will benefit. For instance, in species and flower colour, or animals they hope to attract, which allows them to represent a neighbourhood identity. LifeLight has a range of potential development tracks, like the implementation of bird nesting, roof runoff piping and water storage within the pole to harbour a green wall, and a range of different infiltration options which are dependent on varying site conditions. Take this opportunity to get a head start in the future of smart sustainability and biodiversity driven street design for your city. Choose LifeLight.